other very, very distinguished and capable members of the National Working Committee, Your Excellency, the performing governor of Rivers State, the star on the crown of the PDP in terms of governance and performance in Nigeria, other members of your entourage, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, let me congratulate us for seeing this year's Easter celebration. For us as Christians, the Easter period marks a period of death to everything that is bad, evil, and obstructive, and the resurrection into new life of hope. This is what our journey today in this secretariat represents. We are looking for a way to rescue Nigeria from the brink of collapse, and we are praying hard that we will still have a country even by 2023. The journey to Aso Rock is no longer the usual presidential contestations we have had in the past. It has become existential. It has become about the future of our children. And therefore, everybody must throw in everything. The two most important requirements for us as we move forward is competence and acceptability. This is the only way we can put forward a candidate that will possibly win. I see this possibility in one of your own. You were elected in 2015 to serve as governor of Rivers State. And from the creeks of Rivers State, he has emerged as a worthy example of what service should be. Firm, straightforward, outspoken, stickler for rule of law, fearless, and yet carrying everybody along and performing and doing wonders in Rivers State. Who says that this cannot be replicated in Nigeria? Nigerians are tired of promises. Nigerians are looking forward to those who can say and point to things they have done in their past. People with pedigree and people with clear evidence of performance. You can count them on your fingers if you go to Rivers State today. If you come to loyalty and service to our party, Governor Wike has never left the PDP. He has stood by all previous presidential aspirants and candidates, following them with vigor and commitment, committing resources, intellect, and leading from the front. He has seen it all. And today, he has just come to offer himself to the National Working Committee to give him the opportunity to replicate what he has done in Rivers State and what he's still doing in Nigeria. Today, our country no longer wants a president that we cannot predict where he stands on any matter.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.